Greetings, friends. Today we revisit the Mock Wheel. I remain thoroughly impressed by this bike. Given its price and performance, I am genuinely convinced of its value. And you wanted to know how to make this thing faster, and we'll show you that now. Yes, it's getting a bit dark. You can read the speedometer a bit better now. First, let's turn on the speedometer. Yes. First, we start the device, my friends. Hello. Hi, I'm the device. You can see all the parameters here now, but that's it. Let's go. In. Normal settings first.
First, we show the normal settings. Normally, you get stopped and they check how high the settings are. If we press these two buttons together, up and down, the following shows on the display. So, brightness, unit, start mode, and so on. All settings that can be changed easily. Here, language, single rides, reset. Here you can check your ride data and so on. But first, if you want to go back, you need to press this button. Now it gets interesting. We're going to press these three buttons at the same time. What happens next, friends, is pure magic.
It's just that easy. Then it's done.
Well, now we see the speed setting here. Then here we have power, operation, gears, voltage level, wheel diameter, speedometer magnets, and driving mode. First, we'll go into driving mode. No, sorry, wrong button, sorry.
Disable. Hello, nothing happens to me. The device, everything.
Okay. Back to driving mode. Now, we'll adjust the pedal and throttle. You can also use only the pedal for some, but then we've noticed it rides better when you have that on too, even without the throttle. So, let's go back. We just click the button again. We need to increase the intensity level. By default, it's set to 3. That's basically the driving level. You only have up to 3 by default. We're going to set it to 5 now. This means it supports 5 gears.
Sure, for you, right. That's only 3.
Well, let's go back. Now we'll adjust speed. Look how easy this is. You can...
The original,
yes,
have you ever tried
70.
15?
You probably thought so. I'm at 25, so
15.
70 came up. You can set it even higher. Yes, it just runs faster when idling. So theoretically, if you go downhill, it would go faster than that. So if you want to revert everything, just press the M button here. Or I think press it 3 more times. I'm not sure. First, let's leave the settings.
Can you repeat that?
Exactly, and then just press the M button. So, now it's a bit tricky to show this here at a standstill, but we can try, right? Have you adjusted the side stand again? We can't really show that. How do you plan to do it? Maybe just lift the back wheel somehow. Then set it to 5 for a moment. Just a little with your hands, just so you can see that. That's really foolish. Friends, don't be surprised. You see, I can do this here with one arm, no joke. It wasn't focused, no matter, at 45. I can tell you if you ride at 50. It's a bit, you really have to pedal. But at 40, 45, it's no problem.
Many have asked how far you support yourselves. When you've tuned it, it's actually up to about 45. Then you have to rely on your own power for 5 km/h or 10 km/h. You still need to use your leg power.
Problem. So I managed to ride comfortably at 50 for over a kilometer, but I'd say 45 is relaxed. I actually achieved 45. But then, of course,
You're really doing some serious Beyblade in your legs here. So when you set it to level 5, you support each other up to 45. That's pretty awesome. And it goes back just as quickly. When you reach level 3, many have inquired. While legally on the go, you support each other up to 25, of course. Yes, I also didn't notice any gap in between. Many people have written about it. Doesn't that have a small mistake? A tiny gap between them.
Driving school. Yes, I read that too.
Can't say.
I can't say. I wouldn't say that's true for him. Maybe it was for others. So, in our situation, I haven't found that we encountered any significant issues while driving or anything else.
Let's ride the bike. Axie was convinced. They also said that. It definitely costs more than 3,000. It costs 2,000 too.
Yes, I believe this is a fantastic thing. We've already said that. We'll keep introducing such things. I think if we present a few e-bikes now and then, it's not like we show one every week. I think we've done around 700 videos. Or maybe 800, I'm not sure. Out of those, we have 4 videos on e-bikes. So I think that should meet everyone's needs. 4 videos a week is enough. If there's one that doesn't catch your interest, then
obvious.
Yes, that's obvious.
But that's certainly interesting. And if you buy it using the code for Wallmasters, you'll receive a €50 discount.
We checked again to see if there was a way to get a 50 discount or something. That's
really awesome. And if you order now, you'll also get a summer sale where you receive 4 gadgets for the bike, like a basket or various other things. I'm not exactly sure. The basket is definitely included, along with 3 others.
Not much. Well, from our point of view, it's a cool item. Now you can see how this thing gets faster. We could still do a GPS test. We can do that, I suppose. But we can tell you that we've already tested it privately. It can go that fast.
Feel free to comment if you want us to do another top speed test and show the various riding modes up to where you get support. We
Sure.
can certainly do that.
We
But
can also, we still have that ultra off-road track back in the woods. We can unpack the yellow bike again. It has that twist throttle. It has a lot more power than the yellow one, but it's still 15 times cooler in some way. Then we can take it for a spin through that wild boar area. We can actually take those out. If you say you want to see an off-road thing, an off-road video with them, we can discuss the riding modes a bit more. And I think we can achieve top speed there too. Maybe not on this wooden path, but
it was definitely worth it. Thanks to Mockwheeler for testing this thing, and feel free to write in the comments what else you want to see with it. An off-road test, as mentioned, is still coming.
I might not have anything else to say right now. But one thing is certain, this e-bike can be made ultra fast very easily and ultra light.
Otherwise, take it slow. That's the key point. Going slow works just as well, not on public roads. You know the score. Always a disclaimer on the side.
Wait a minute, could you turn on the lights so we can see it in the dark? Some
Also-
people had asked me about that. So the rear light still looks, I still think, quite nice. It's fine, I would estimate. Yes, it's fine. Here, it's definitely okay. The rear light just looks really cool. I don't know why, but it struck me last time when it had light, really for the first time in the dark. Well, friends, we're going to film ourselves with the iPhone because the action cams are struggling in this light. And I'm heading home now. Bye. And subscribe to the channel.